This first video recently went viral online as Facebook user Alicia Penman uploaded this video of her husband taking out the trash over the holidays one night on her Ring doorbell camera. If you look closely, you can see a smoky figure run by the man as he clearly pauses, feeling something brush into him. Two, this next video was uploaded to YouTube by user Mike Crook. His doorbell camera seems to have caught some sort of small, half-visible, shadowy figure walking down the sidewalk in front of his house. Let's zoom in and slow it down to get a better look. Three, this next video shows a strikingly similar occurrence, where the camera picks up on a shadowy, ghostly figure walking across a baseball field one summer night. I guess if you build it, they will come. Four, this next video taken by the doorbell camera in front of a UK family's home one night seems normal, until you see the eerie, shadowy figure in the tree to your left. Let's take a closer look, shall we? Five, this next video shows yet another ghostly apparition walking down the sidewalk on the street at night. Six, this next video shows a young girl coming home one evening in the South. What seems to have followed her home, though, seems less than human. Seven, this next video seems completely normal at first, until the very end, when a strange, shadowy figure floats up to the sky. Take a look. 8. This next video was uploaded to YouTube by Kelsey Hansen. She seems to have caught a strange orb-like figure on her front porch. 9. This next video is of a mother who was so sure her doorbell camera got footage of her late son. A local news channel brought in some paranormal investigators to check things out. Take a look.
All new at 5, spooky security camera footage.
Yeah, a Metro Atlanta mom says it actually shows her son's ghost. CBS 46's Yasmina Alston spoke with some paranormal investigators to see if it's real or if it's a hoax.
Here in Canton, Georgia, a group of paranormal investigators look into the supernatural. So it was only right that we asked them about what a mom says she saw in her security footage.
It's definitely unexplainable.
A Metro mom says her home security footage captured her son's ghost.
Definitely tell that in the photo there is a human figure.
On Facebook, Jennifer Hodge posted that she was watching TV with her daughter when an alert on her phone said, "Your entryway camera saw someone." Here's what it showed.
No one's around at the time and something gets captured that we can't explain.
Hodge posted that the figure looks just like her son Robbie, who died in 2016. Hodge told media outlets her son died of an accidental drug overdose. Now, we showed the pictures to paranormal investigators Heather Thompson and Stephanie Forte with Paranormal Georgia Investigations. They agree with Hodge.
Okay, now I'm understanding what she's talking about, but it was definitely a human figure. I mean, there wasn't anything questionable as to, okay, maybe that's a curtain that's billowing, or maybe that's, an appliance. That's definitely a human figure.
The two are part of a group that investigate homes and businesses of those who think they're dealing with the paranormal. They tell me security footage can be helpful, but to confirm, an actual home visit would be necessary. Hodge posted she is happy to be able to know her son is always with them.
I'm glad that she's happy. I'm very glad that she's comforted and that this brings her joy, because I wish more people would have that type of reaction to paranormal activity.
In Canton, Yasmina Alston, CBS 46 News.
10. This next video caught more than just a car thief. Take a look at the left-hand side of your screen as the burglar tries to break into the cars. An orb seems to follow him around until he leaves. What do you think? Was this ghost on Neighborhood Watch? Thank you for watching Mr. Grimm's Terrifying Tales. Don't forget to subscribe for more creepy videos.